Best foldable drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 3 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. The 1080p HD FPV foldable drone for beginners and kids is a user-friendly quadcopter designed to offer an enjoyable flying experience, especially for newcomers and young users. It features a 1080p HD front camera with FPV, first-person view, capabilities, allowing real-time video transmission to a smartphone, enabling users to capture aerial footage and photos easily. This drone emphasizes simplicity and fun, offering one key takeoff/land, making it ideal for beginners to operate without steep learning curves. The inclusion of optical flow positioning improves flight stability, especially when flying indoors or at lower altitudes, by helping the drone maintain its position automatically without GPS. Fun features like voice control and gesture control allow users to command the drone to take photos or videos with hand gestures or voice prompts, adding a playful, hands-free control option. It also supports 360 degrees flips and waypoint fly, which allows users to draw a flight path on the app screen and have the drone follow it automatically, great for interactive and engaging flights. The drone is foldable and lightweight, making it highly portable and easy to store, and it comes with a carrying case for added convenience. The compact design makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. It includes features like altitude hold and headless mode, which further simplify control and orientation during flight. Overall, this drone is an excellent entry-level option for kids and beginners, offering essential features like an HD camera, intuitive controls, and stable flight. It blends learning and fun while promoting creativity and hand-eye coordination. It's also affordably priced and durable enough for first-time pilots to enjoy confidently. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with 1080p camera FPV is a compact, foldable quadcopter ideal for both adults and kids, offering a great balance of ease of use, functionality, and portability. Its 1080p HD front-facing camera provides decent image and video quality for casual aerial photography and live video streaming through FPV, first-person view, when connected to a smartphone. The 90 degrees adjustable lens allows users to change the shooting angle, offering more flexibility in capturing views. Equipped with stable altitude hold, the drone can maintain a steady height automatically, making it easier for beginners to control and capture smoother footage. One key takeoff and landing simplifies operation, especially for novices who want hassle-free control from the start. This drone also includes gravity sensor control, which allows the user to control the drone by tilting their smartphone in different directions, adding a fun and intuitive flying experience. Trajectory flight is another engaging feature that lets you draw a flight path on the app, and the drone will follow that route automatically. 2 included modular batteries extend the flight time, making it easier to enjoy longer sessions without frequent recharging. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it very portable and suitable for travel. The drone is designed with durability and safety in mind, making it kid-friendly while still offering enough features to entertain adults. Features like headless mode, emergency stop, and LED lights for visibility enhance its usability and user experience. Overall, this mini drone is a solid option for beginners and casual users. It combines fun flight modes, decent camera quality, and ease of control in a compact and affordable package. It's a great gift choice for kids or anyone looking to explore drones without breaking the bank. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The 2K HD FPV foldable drone with camera is a compact, beginner-friendly quadcopter designed to deliver sharper visuals and smoother flight performance thanks to its 2K HD front camera and brushless motors. The upgraded camera offers better clarity compared to standard 1080p models, making it ideal for capturing higher quality photos and real-time video streaming through FPV, first-person view, on a smartphone. One of its standout features is the brushless motor, which provides quieter operation, better durability, and more powerful flight control compared to traditional brushed motors. Combined with altitude hold, the drone can maintain a stable hover, making it easier to shoot clear, steady footage, especially useful for beginners. The drone includes multiple beginner-oriented features such as one-key takeoff/landing, which simplifies flight operations, and gesture selfie mode, allowing users to take pictures or start video recording using simple hand gestures. These hands-free controls are fun and intuitive, especially for kids. Additional flight modes include 3D flips, waypoint fly, where the drone follows a user-drawn path on the app, and headless mode, which makes orientation easier for novice pilots. These features enhance the overall fun and interactivity during flight. The package includes 2 modular batteries, offering extended flight time and less downtime between charges. Its foldable and mini design adds to portability, making it great for travel or on-the-go fun. Despite being lightweight and compact, it delivers reliable performance indoors and outdoors. Overall, this drone offers an impressive mix of enhanced camera quality, brushless motor efficiency, and user-friendly controls, making it a strong choice for beginners and kids alike. It's an excellent entry-level drone for those who want a more premium flying experience without a high price tag.